Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the car and opening the MMI system. Do this now. Once the system boots, check the MMI version in the top corner, MMI 3G, 3G Plus, or MIB because menus differ. Make sure your ignition is stable and the battery shows healthy voltage. If it drops, settings may not save. Keep the owner manual or VIN handy for model-specific cues. Now, press the menu button to enter the main settings. This gets you straight into language options. Once in menu, choose Settings or Setup. Use the MMI knob, joystick, or touchscreen depending on your system. Navigate into System Settings, then locate Language. This is where voice prompts, menus, and some maps change. Highlight the language list and pause to read the description for each option. Some entries change only text versus both text and voice. When you find your desired language, press the knob or touch select, and then confirm to apply the change across menus and voice guidance. After confirming, allow the MMI to apply changes. Some systems require a restart, so follow prompts and wait. Make sure both display text and voice prompts reflect the new language. If only text changes, revisit voice or TTS settings. If the language reverts or fails to save, perform a soft reset by holding the volume and MMI power buttons briefly, check battery health, and repeat. If problems persist, update MMI software or consult the dealer. Updates often fix regional language bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.